Hi, my name is Samiya, and today we'll be making bubbles with things that you have at home. To start, you'll need 1/4 cup dish soap, 3/4 cup room temperature water, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a bowl to mix everything in. For the bubble wand, you'll need a plastic water bottle and scissors. First, you want to have your bowl. Next, you want to have your water ready. You'll need 3/4 cup. So here I'm using a 1/4 cup measure and using it 3 times to get enough water. Once you have this ready, you want to get your soap ready as well. You'll need 1/4 cup. So here's me using a 1/4 cup measure and adding it into the water. Lastly, you want to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Once you have this, you want to make sure you mix everything well to combine evenly. All you need for the bubble wand is a plastic bottle and scissors. When cutting, make sure the cap of the bottle is open to make it easier to cut. Remember, you can always ask an adult for help when cutting harder materials like plastic. Once you have cut the bottle, you want to use the top part of the bottle and put the bottom part down into the solution and the mouth part to blow out. Thanks for watching, and share what you create with us using the hashtag #SingingWinSummerFun.